You searched how to buy shares of Grindr Inc., and this video will walk through the practical steps. Grindr Inc. runs a location-based social networking app for the LGBTQ community. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GRND, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search field and type the ticker GRND to find the correct listing. Select the Grindr Inc. result that matches the NASDAQ listing. Open the Grindr Inc. asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check that the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker GRND to confirm it is the right stock. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place your trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your trade completes, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to view the example used in this video.